Hello dear students, welcome to the new session of the computer fundamentals. So here, the block diagram of a computer system, which is also known as the functional components of a computer. In the functional, there are the four different types of the functional components. One is an input unit, second is a storage unit, third is a central processing unit, the fourth is the output unit. The first unit is an input unit. Here the definition of an input device. An input device is any hardware component that allows us to entering the data and instructions into a computer system. These devices serves as the bridge between the human interaction and the machine processing. Some commonly used input devices which are the keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, etc. First is the keyboard. The primary text input device for typing the commands and the data is the keyboard. Second example is a mouse. It is a pointing device for the navigation and selection. Third example is a microphone, audio input for voice commands and the recording. Then the fourth example is a scanner. It converts the physical documents to the digital format. So these are all some most commonly used input devices. Then go to the next unit is the central processing unit. The central processing unit is the heart and brain of the computer system. It supervises all the components of the computer system. It has the two functional units. One is a control unit. One more is an arithmetic and logic unit. The function of the control unit is it control and coordinate all the activities of the computer system. It acts as a traffic controller, directing the flow of data and instruction throughout the system. It manages instructions execution sequences, coordinates the data movement between the components, and controls the timing of operation. This is about the control unit. Then the second is a arithmetic and logic unit, in simple called ALU. All the calculations are carried out in this unit. The ALU consists of the electronic circuitry which performs both mathematical and logical operations. With the basic operations, the basic arithmetical operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and also it performs some logical operations like AND, OR and NOT. This is about the ALU. These two components are in the central processing unit. Then go to the next unit is the memory unit. What is a memory? We need a memory for storing the data and instructions in our computer system. The memory serves as the workspace where the CPU can quickly access the information needed for the processing tasks. So here some key terms are there, that is a data storage. It holds the information that needs to be processed. Second term is instruction storage. It contains the program instructions for execution. Third is a quick access. It enables rapid retrieval for the CPU processing. This memory unit has divided into the two different types. One is called the primary memory, one more is called the secondary memory. The primary memory is also known as the temporary memory or the volatile memory. This temporary memory stores the data and instructions in temporarily. When the power goes off, the data will be lost. It provides the fast access for active programs. Examples for the primary memories are random access memory and read-only memory. The second type is the secondary memory. It is also known as the permanent memory or non-volatile memory. It stores the data and instructions permanently. It retains the information as long as the user wants. It provides the long-term storage solutions. Examples for the secondary storage devices are hard disk, floppy disk, CD, DVD, SD card, SSD cards, etc. Then go to the next slide. Output unit. What is an output device? An output device is any hardware component that allows us to display the data and instructions to the user. These devices transform the computer's digital processing results into the human-readable format. Some most commonly used the output devices are: first is a monitor. The primary visual display the device that shows the text, image, and graphical user interfaces. The modern monitors offers the high-resolution display for enhance the user experience. The second example is a printer. Printer converts the digital documents into the physical paper copies. Available in the various types include inkjet printer, laser printer, 3D printer for the different application. Our next output device is an plotter. A plotter is the specialized output device for creating precise technical drawings, architectural plans, and large format graphics with high accuracy. The fourth example is a speaker. Audio output device that converts the digital sound signals into audible sound waves for the music, alerts, and multimedia applications. These are all some commonly used output devices. So this is about the block diagram of the computer system. Thank you so much.